Hi, it's Allie from Inspiralized, and today we are making something from my new cookbook, Inspiralized and Beyond. It is my third and newest cookbook, and I am super excited for the recipe today because, like in this book, I'm making something that is not spiralized. So in this book, you'll find both spiralized recipes and non-spiralized recipes like the one we're gonna make today. Just fun, healthy ways to use vegetables creatively. So today we're gonna be making my potato toast with green pea avocado mashed, shaved egg, and radishes. Now, if you love avocado toast, you're gonna love this healthier version. Instead of using a piece of toast, we're gonna use a slab of russet potato that we bake in the oven, and that will sit with the avocado mash right on top. The avocado mash is infused with extra veggies. We're infusing it with green peas, and we're using kind of guacamole-like flavors like jalapenos and cilantro and some lime juice. And on top of the avocado mash, we're gonna grate a hard-boiled egg. And what that does is it makes it kind of like a grated cheese sort of texture and consistency. So it's just absolutely delicious. The radishes on top, a nice crunch, and you'll never miss toast again. If you make this, it's salty. You'll want to start craving these potato slabs. All right, let's get started. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and then line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're gonna take those potato slabs that we prepared before the recipe and lay them out on the baking sheet. And then you're gonna wanna brush the tops with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. We're gonna roast these until fork tender, about 25 to 30 minutes. And then once they're done, let them cool for 5 minutes. While the potatoes roast, we can grate the hard-boiled eggs into a medium bowl, and you're gonna wanna use the large holes of a box grater for this. In a separate medium bowl, we're gonna prepare the avocado mash. And to do this, you're gonna first mash the peas with a fork, or you could use a potato masher. And you're gonna wanna do this just so they're chunky, not too creamy. Then you're gonna add the avocado and do the same thing, lightly mash them. And then finally, we're gonna gently fold in the rest of the ingredients, the jalapeno, the garlic, the lime juice, and the cilantro. And you're gonna season with some salt and just stir to combine, but don't stir too much because you don't want this to be creamy. You want this to be nice and chunky. And now we're ready to prepare our potato slab avocado toasts. You're gonna take the potato slabs and you can lay them out, or you can go one at a time. On each potato slab, you're just gonna wanna scoop over some of that prepared avocado mash, and then you're gonna sprinkle with that grated egg, and then you're gonna finish by topping with those pretty cherry bell radish slices. And that's it, you're ready to serve. For healthy spiralized recipes, check out Inspiralized.com, and for some new healthy veggie-centric recipes, check out my new cookbook, Inspiralized and Beyond.